Welcome back, medicos. Subsequent to my previous video on PG medical admission, there are several questions related to certain certificates. Particularly, there are questions related to migration certificate and no objection certificate. So in this video, I will be talking about 5 key documents that you may need for PG medical admission. And there are a lot of confusion around these 5 key documents. Who need it? When do you need it? Where should I get it? So all these questions I will try to address in this particular video. Come, let's see what are those 5 key documents which you may need it during the PG medical admission. So let's look at these 5 key documents for PG admission. What are these documents? Do I need it? Where should I get it? What are certain things I need to keep in mind? I will explain these documents, the necessity, with an example. Let's take, for example, you have completed MBBS from Bangalore Medical College, which is in Karnataka, which is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University. And let's say you have registered yourself with Karnataka State Medical Council. Now, this is your MBBS degree. Now, let us say you are getting admission for PG at Madras Medical College or MMC in Tamil Nadu. And this particular medical college comes under Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. And this college comes under the Tamil Nadu State Medical Council. So let's keep this example in mind to understand the documents needed. So the first document I want to talk about is transfer certificate or TC. Generally, it is needed when you are moving from one college to another college. If you study UG and PG in the same college, you may not need the transfer certificate, but you are moving from one college to another college. It can be within the same university. It can be within the same state. Still, you may need the transfer certificate. Now, where should you get the transfer certificate? You should get the transfer certificate from the college where you completed MBBS. For example, in this particular example, you need to get it from Bangalore Medical College and produce it to MMC for admission. Now, one thing you need to take note, not all medical colleges provide transfer certificate. They don't have this practice. Some colleges provide, some colleges do not provide. So if you have already got a transfer certificate, well and good, you can use it. Now, some of the medical colleges will provide the transfer certificate only after you get admission at some other college, and you can ask for the transfer certificate, and the transfer certificate will be directly sent to the new medical college. Whereas some colleges do not even provide any transfer certificate. In that case, what you can do, you can ask for a study certificate. You can ask for a letter from the principal on the college letterhead stating that you have studied in that particular medical college from this year to this year and you have graduated. And you can ask the college to put a statement that they do not provide any transfer certificate. So you can use that as a proof when you are joining the new college. So transfer certificate, if the college provide, it's well and good, use it. If not, try to get a study certificate and keep it so that at the time of admission, in case the new college asks for the transfer certificate, you don't get caught into some kind of like stress. Now, the second certificate I want to talk about is migration certificate. Migration certificate is typically needed when you are moving from one university to another university. If you are moving a college within the same university, then you do not need migration certificate. Say, for example, you have studied in Stanley Medical College MBBS, and then you are moving to Madras Medical College for PG. Both come under Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. In that case, you do not need migration certificate because you are studying UG and PG from the same university. In that case, you do not need migration certificate. But in this example, we have stated that you are moving from a medical college under Rajiv Gandhi University to a medical college under Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. So you are moving from one university to another university for your PG. In this case, you must get the migration certificate. Now, where should I get it? You should get it from the university where you completed MBBS. That means you need to apply to Rajiv Gandhi University and get the migration certificate. So you can apply now and get the migration certificate. If at all, if you are applying for multiple states or you are going to try under All India Counseling for other states, apply and get the migration certificate. Just getting the migration certificate is not a problem. Some of you have asked, If I get a migration certificate, can I still apply in the same university where I have studied UG? Yes, you can still apply there. For example, I have studied under Bangalore Medical College. I still am trying PG under Bangalore Medical College while I'm also trying in other places. If I get a migration certificate and subsequently I get admission in Bangalore Medical College itself, will it be a problem? No, it will not be a problem. You can get a migration certificate. It's just a certificate. If you get in some other university, you can use it. If you get in the same university where you did UG, then you can just keep it as a reference. It may not be needed at the time of admission. So getting a migration certificate is not a problem. Go ahead and apply. The third certificate I want to talk about is called Eligibility Certificate. Now, once again, this Eligibility Certificate may be needed when you are moving from one university to another university. Once again, if you are moving within the colleges in the same university, you do not need it. But if you are moving from one university to another university, UG in one university, PG in another university, you need this certificate. Now, where should I get it? You should get it from the university where you would like to pursue PG degree. Where you would like to pursue PG degree. For example, in this case, I'm going to join Madras Medical College that comes under Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. So I need to apply to Dr. MGR Medical University and ask for an eligibility certificate. Basically, I'm asking the university to review my documents and tell that I am eligible to study in a medical college that is affiliated to this university. The college will review my documents and then say, yes, you are eligible to study in any medical college that are affiliated to this particular university. So migration certificate, you need to get it from the UG university, whereas eligibility certificate, you need to get it from the university where you are going to study PG. Now, eligibility certificate, once I apply eligibility certificate, will it be a problem? Can I join in some other university? Yes, you can join. Eligibility certificate, you can keep. If you get an admission in that particular university, you can use it. Otherwise, you can join any other university you like or you get. That's not a problem. Generally, most of the universities, you can apply for the eligibility certificate after getting the seat allotment, except like Tamil Nadu generally asks you to apply for eligibility certificate and produce it during the time of registration, whereas most of the other universities are happy when you provide the eligibility certificate at the time of admission. So after you get the seat allotment, you can apply to the university, get the eligibility certificate, take it during admission, right? It depends on how many days it's available. Many colleges will accept as long as you provide a proof of applying for the eligibility certificate. They may take you for admission. So please check with the university where you are going to apply for the PG. The fourth certificate I want to talk about is No Objection Certificate. Now, what is this No Objection Certificate? When you are moving from one state medical council to another state medical council, in this case, you may need a NOC. Now, where should you get the NOC? You should get the NOC from the current state medical council where you are registered. Take, for example, in this case, in this example, the particular candidate is registered with Karnataka State Medical Council. Now, this candidate is moving to Tamil Nadu. So what he needs to do, he needs to get a No Objection Certificate. He needs to apply for a No Objection Certificate to Karnataka Medical Council, stating that you are going to register with Tamil Nadu Medical Council. Then the Karnataka Medical Council will issue you a NOC. Generally, medical councils issue these NOC within 1 or 2 days. But you can check with the respective medical council what is the procedure. Generally, it is an online procedure in most of the medical councils. In some medical councils, they may ask you to appear in person. So please check with your specific medical council what is the procedure. Now, when should you apply for this? You can apply for this after you get a seat allotment. Don't apply before that, because some medical councils may inactivate your registration once they provide the NOC. So please check once again with your medical council what is the procedure, whether they do inactivate or they keep your registration active. That you can check with your state medical council. But generally, I advise to apply for the NOC after getting the seat allotment. Now, finally, you need a state medical council registration certificate. Who needs it? Everyone needs it. Anyone who has completed MBBS and you are going to join PG, you need a registration certificate. Of course, if you are getting a college under the same medical council, for example, if I am moving from Stanley Medical College to Madras Medical College, then I have to produce just the Tamil Nadu State Medical Council registration. In that case, I don't need the NOC. NOC is needed only you are moving from one medical council to another. If you are in the same medical council, then you just need to provide your registration certificate. But let's say if you are moving from one medical council to another medical council, let's say from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu you are moving. So initially at the time of admission, you can produce your Karnataka registration plus the NOC, and then subsequently you can apply to Tamil Nadu Medical Council and get the registration. And once you get the registration, you need to produce it to the college. So everyone needs the medical council registration certificate, and it has to be provided to the college. And generally the colleges gives you certain time. Normally, some of the colleges provide as much as around 3 months for you to produce this certificate. But if you are within the same medical council, then no issue. You can straight away produce your registration certificate. So I hope it is clear. The 5 certificates which are generally confused by students. I have explained it with an example, so I hope that makes things clear. If you still have any doubts here, please leave your queries in the comments below. I will try to address them as quickly as possible. Thank you. Bye-bye.